Good day, everyone. It's another day, another business that we're going to talk about Waco. So, sino nga ba si Waco? So, here we're going to tackle about kung sino si Waco at paano tayo makakapag-franchise kay Waco. So, at the Waco, we are passionate about serving the perfect pairing of delicious waffles and aromatic coffee. Our journey began with a simple love of these two timeless classics, and we have dedicated ourselves to creating a warm and inviting space where our customer can indulge in the ultimate comfort food experience. Our mission is not only satisfy cravings, but to spark conversations, foster friendship, and create lasting memories around the shared enjoyment of good food and great company. Through our passion, our quality ingredients, innovative recipes, and attentive service, we strive to cultivate a community of coffee and waffle enthusiasts who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship behind each dish we serve. So our vision is we envision a space where the aroma of freshly brewed coffee mingles with a sense of warm waffle, creating an atmosphere of comfort, joy, and a culinary exploration. Our goal is to be a beacon of creativity and innovation in the coffee and waffle industry, constantly pushing boundaries and reimagining traditional flavors to offer our customer diverse and exciting menu that captivates their taste buds. So ito yung gusto nating mangyari. So aside dun sa pagiging classic natin, so we are constantly pushing dun sa mga nakagawian na natin. So we're trying to innovate to give something more or to offer something more sa ating market. Ayan. So this is the drinks of Waco. So what we have here is we have our iced coffee, fruit yogurt, fruit soda, and milk tea. Siyempre, hindi magpapahuli dyan. Aside from the drinks, we are also offering our waffles and mini donuts. So from our waffles, so we have our flavors of mango, plain, caramel, cheese, blueberry, strawberry, chocolate, and Oreo. So sa atin ng mga mini donuts, so you can have it for 65 pesos, 6 pieces na po yan. 129 pesos and 12 pieces na po yan. Lahat po yan ay ibibigay po namin sa inyo and kung paano rin tayo makakagawa niyan. Ayan. So, how to franchise with Waco? So, syempre, what our initial capital is yung 17,888. So, once na nagbayad po tayo ng ating promo, so, by the way po, naka-promo po tayo ngayon, ha? So, ibig sabihin po, sa first 10 po natin na yan, 17,888 po. Pag naubos na po yan, baka wala na po. So, franchise now po and join the Waco Revolution. So what are the inclusion of Waco? So panag-franchise tayo, ano-ano ba yung makukuha natin? So what we have there is we have our 2 years contract. We have a marketing collateral that will be continuously support you po throughout your journey with Waco. Use of trademark, trade name, and then logo. Siyempre, meron tayong tinatawag na free training. It's either face-to-face or yung online training natin. And then we will going to provide you also our manual procedures. We provide also video tutorial, product costing, POS system, and syempre yung tinatawag natin continuous product innovation. So we cannot stay like this forever sa market. So right now, we're going to continue to innovate pa. Mas pagandahin pa yung tinatawag nating combination of waffle and coffee and donuts. Ayan. So this is the sample income per cup naman po. So this is the sizes and ito po yung ating mga series. So we have our coffee costing, yogurt, milk tea, and then soda. So ayan po. So this is the potential income naman po. So when we say potential income, ito yung pwede nating may benta or kitain sa araw-araw. So let's say for example po dito is sa 49 pesos. So i-multiply mo lang yan sa 100 cups daily. So that will be 4,900. So you have your monthly sales, you have your cost of sales or cost of goods. And then yung pinaka-gross profit nyo is yung 48,300. Pero syempre, hindi pwedeng kumikita lang. Dapat may mga expenses yan. So that will be the rent expense, water bill, electricity bill, internet bill, fuel expense, salary expense, syempre, yung other expense mo like internet or ano pa bang gusto nyo idagdag na expense, no? Can worth 1,300. So, total niyan is 24,100. So matotal, pag dinidak pa rin po natin yan sa gross profit natin, daily pa rin, we can earn at least 24, daily, i-multiply mo sa 30 days, so we can still earn our net profit natin na 24,200. And per year, multiply mo pa yan sa 12, so that will be 290,000 pesos 400. Ayan po. Di ba po maganda? Paano pa po pag sa 150 cups of po yung nagawa nila? Or 180 or 100 or 200. Pero sa akin po, let's be realistic, no? So doon po muna ako sa pinakamababa sa 100 count, which is very, very easy to achieve. Ayan po. Ito po yung ating potential income. So ito na, we're going to talk about the process flow of how we were going to franchise with Waco. So siyempre po, consult and franchisee business presentation. So this is what we are discussing right now kung bakit kayo nanonood ngayon. So hindi po ito basta lang nangyari. So itinadhana kayo para kay Waco talaga. Ayan po. So step 2, syempre if the exact address is not final yet, prospect franchisee can settle a reservation fee or full payment to secure the area for 30 days. So, meron po tayong tinatawag na reservation. So, hindi naman po sapilitan yung reservation natin. So, that reservation is only for you to secure yung franchise promo natin na for now is 17,000 pesos po. Ayan. So, para to make sure talagang makuha natin yung slot na yon, so we can do reservation, which is hindi naman po siya sapilitan. Or, pwede nyo na rin po naman siyang bayaran ng isang buo. Ayan. And then step 3, the WACO and franchisee signs the mutual agreement. So, we have our mutual agreements po. Ito po yung tinatawag nating contract. So, for 2 years po ang ating contract. And then step 4, processing of your product inclusion and additional orders. So, magkakapagbayad na po kayo ng ating franchise fee. So, meron po silang matatanggap na inclusions. And yung inclusions na po na yon, bago po natin ipadala or bago nyo makuha, if ever po na may gusto po silang additional orders, pwede na rin po nilang i-add kagad doon sa inclusions na yun para at least yung shipment po natin or yung shipping natin na tinatawag, isang padalahan na lang po. So step 5, choose on how your product will be delivered via bus or courier partners. So meron po tayong mga partners no, ng mga couriers. Let's say for example, yung AP Cargo, Jade's Cargo, or sabihin natin yung mga Flash Express and then yung mga bus liner like Victory Liner. So step 6, actual training or online Zoom meeting for far locations. So ito po yung tinatawag natin ng mga trainings, no? So sa trainings po natin, pwede po silang magsadya dito, face to face. And then sa mga lalayo po, pwede naman po silang sa Zoom meeting or yung tinatawag nating online training. And then syempre, lastly, step 7, franchisees ready to accept orders. So kapag napag-training na po kayo, may produkto na po sila, they are ready na po. They are knowledgeable enough and then they have their experience enough para po makapag-operate na ng ating franchise business, which is si Waco. Ito po yung ating sinasabi ko kanina na delivery partner. So what we have here is we have drop and go. So yung sa Victory Liner po, hindi lang po Victory Liner yan. Pwede po kahit saan yung pag gusto ipadala yan. Kung meron po kayong Partas, mga Florida na bus terminal, pwede po natin yan. Raymond, yan. And then para po doon sa mga malalapit na gusto is within the day. So what we have here is yung Lala Move. Ito po. And then AP Cargo, pag Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pwede rin po siya. And same po ni Flash Express. Ayan. So, this is the payment method po ni Waco. So, wala na pong iba kayong pagbabayaran kundi itong mga ating payment channels. So, what we have here is the Union Bank, BPI, and BDO. So, yun lang po. And you can contact us sa itong numero natin, 0930-516-5865. And syempre, you can always come and visit us with our locations at 331 Roosevelt Avenue, Quezon City. So, we're going to wait you there. And let's start our partnership and business. So yun lang po at maraming salamat and God bless po. Thank you.